Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, another arrival from eBay. This is a Marx 666. Picked it up for 10 bucks, and as usual, I was the only bidder on this. So, just wanted to do the grand unboxing as usual. I have no idea really what kind of shape this is in. There was only 4 photos on eBay. So, always unknown. Alright, let's take a look. And there it is. It has a tag on it. Alright. Runs great smoker, it says. Well, it's complete. It's in really decent shape. Huh. No damage to it at all that I can see. Whether it smokes or not, whole different ballgame. Don't even know if it runs yet. So first thing we're going to do is throw a few drops of oil on this. I just refilled my oil bottle last night. So we're going to put a couple of drops of oil directly on the armature bearing, and a drop on the output gear bearing. This is a double reduction motor, of course. Okay, we'll put this on the rail. Let me grab the camera off the tripod and the oil. Alright, so there's the new 666. As you see, in really decent condition. No damage at all. It appears someone has painted the bell silver. Huh, quite interesting. Alright, power is on. We're on the 4th rail. Move this tripod out of the way. Let's see what happens. Not a very auspicious beginning. All right, it runs. Notice the wheel sparking. Whenever you see wheel sparking, that is due to dirty brushes. That's smoking. Or it started to, anyway. All right, let's put it on a consist and take it around, see what happens. So let's go to the 2nd rail, the 994. Take the 994 off, put on the 666. Always interesting to run a new locomotive, because you never know what you're going to get from eBay buying it strictly from photographs. All right, we are on the rail, so that's track 2. Focus the camera, and let's see what happens. There's reverse. There's forward. And once this goes around a couple of times, it'll clean the brushes off. Headlight is on. A few faint whiffs of smoke. Don't know if you can see it or not. Alright, let's put a couple of drops of mineral oil on this. And see, this is just straight mineral oil. 1, 2, 3, 4. That should be plenty. Alright, let's see if it'll smoke. Well, it's having no trouble pulling that consist, that's for sure. Nope, I don't see it smoking at all. Now, a lot of times these smoke units are really, really clogged up with old dried oil. And you can put a few drops of alcohol in it, break the oil down, and it'll start to smoke. A lot of times the element in the smoker is broken. So there's a tiny, tiny few whiffs of smoke coming out of there. That's it. But it's running well. There's no doubt about that. So it's running forward and reverse. And notice the wheel sparking has stopped. Wow, this is running really well. $10 on eBay, and I was the only bidder. No idea why. So anyway, this just arrived. I want to do a video of the unboxing and running it. And so far, other than putting a few drops of oil on it, I've done nothing to it at all. I don't think it's going to take a whole lot. I'll get the brushes clean the armature, but overall, this is in really, really decent condition. There's no damage to it at all. None. Not even a whole lot of play wear or scuffs. The corners, the paint hasn't gone off any of the corners, so obviously it didn't have a whole lot of play wear. Anyway, I just wanted to do a video of unboxing this. You know, I'm on eBay literally every day looking for locomotives. And I find these frequently, the 666s, 994s, 999s. And I'll watch them and watch them and watch them. No one bids on them. I just don't understand that. Anyway, got it for $10. I was the only bidder. And so far there is absolutely nothing wrong with this. So I do want to pull it apart. I'll clean the armature and the brushes. And other than that, I don't think it's going to take much, but a good cleaning and lubrication. Lube the axles on all the wheels. But so far, no problems at all. It is running absolutely perfectly. Forward and reverse. Well, no problem at all. Runs great. So anyway, I just want to do a video. As I always stress, don't overlook the junk. $10 on eBay, and I was the only bidder. And as you can see, it is running absolutely perfectly. I won't have to do anything to this at all except clean the brushes. And the way it's running right now, if you just wanted to go ahead and run it, you could. It's running absolutely perfectly. The wheel sparking has stopped, which means all of the oxide that was on the armature has been scraped off. And that just builds up when these things sit for lengths of time. You know, months turn into years, years turn into decades, and these things will wind up sitting sometimes 20, 30, 40 years. So when you get them, lubricate them, clean the brushes and the armature. 99% of the time, that's all you have to do as long as the E unit is working. If the E unit is bad, you have the choice of either bypassing it or putting in a switch to replace it. You can replace the E unit, of course. It's just time consuming and it usually costs more than the locomotive itself. Anyway, $10 on eBay. You just can't beat it. So I'll be running this the rest of the day, pull it apart, clean it up. Just wanted to do the grand unboxing. Don't overlook the junk. You can buy this stuff for pennies on the dollar of any other model railroad. So I just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.